do Yue pa di de pa mena do Semdi la kanye du na do Toa di shema tu na do Mupa di nang lama tim do Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, not really good that much. See my colleagues. Nothing good. Right, dinner in area. We actually not veg, but they don't have much. They only have veg. Only very nice sitting lots of money. That's why it looks special. Yeah, the food is not good. Alright, so the duration of flight is 1 hour and 20 minutes. We should be landing very soon after the dinner is over.
Oh, good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. I'm at Bauda, Chudirumbuche, going for Kora. My first day in Nepal. And you can see this is a Fulbari Chowk. I came from there. My guest house was inside Tarigomba guest house. I stayed there for 5 days, and this is how it looks like. People are going Kora. I'm also going for Kora. So, muni lots of construction going on here, everywhere in Bauda. They're putting some cable underground. A lot of digging going on here. These are the stores. Still there. I'm back like after 20 years. How you doing? Good morning. I'm back like after 20 years, and looks still the same, like a standstill. Not much change. I'm sure it's changed outside, but not inside the Bauda Gomba. So what time? What time it is? I think it's 9 o'clock Sunday morning. All right. I'll see you in a bit. Just a chair. All right. Cool. followers. The sun is coming out. It's beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. See here, Buddha statue. There's a beautiful monastery built over there on the top of the mountain. My lens cannot catch it; it's too far. But you know, to see this Kathmandu city all over, all over, all over. All right, all over. Yeah, very nice monastery there. Beautiful monkey, rainbow monkey, and a baby behind. So cute. You see there, mom and her daughter, or could be son. And one is over there. They're playing.